nice day, considering it's late October. We're going to go over to my friend Mark's, and we're going to take the 1941 Dodge Luxury Liner out. One of my favorite cars, actually, and Mark and I redid the driveline on that car. Well, we kind of refurbed it and got it roadworthy, I don't know, probably 12 years ago. Mark can't drive right now, so we make a point of going over there and exercising his cars for him. And this one is a personal favorite of mine because, well, I like that kind of thing. And the story on it's great, and it's such a nice original car. We've got our buddy Frankers in the back there. Hey.
She's like, yeah, don't look at me.
She loves going for rides, so we're not going to get away without taking her. And I think she really likes that Dodge. She's been in it many times. Well, we took Stella for rides in that Dodge too. So anyway, fluid drive Dodge hasn't been started in a couple of years, so I'm hoping that we don't have too much trouble with it, but they're kind of hammers. As long as the battery's charged up, it should go. Okay, here we are in Mark's garage with all of his awesome cars, and my personal favorite, 1941 Dodge Luxury Liner. Yeah, just such a treat. So let's see, first thing is try to get it to start. I don't think we'll have too much trouble. This thing's usually pretty good. We got our gas can. We'll come around this side. We gotta take the air cleaner off.
Okay.
That's good. There we go.
Should start.
Should do it. Should start, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they all should start. We have brakes still this year? Yes. Doesn't sound very happy, does it? Okay, we'll try again here.
Oh, it's got one of those battery locks on it. Mm-hmm.
Is that Jane?
Yeah.
I guess she knows what's up. So I'm just gonna make myself scarce till the car people are done. My harvest is all done early this year.
Yeah, I was car here.
Oh, I think pretty good. Yeah, a little dry. Let everything come off. You know, it's nice to not be panicking end of October or have it get all snowed on. That's happened plenty of times, as you know.
Yeah.
See, the nice thing about this car button is you can't stall it.
Oh.
I'll dump the clutch. See, I'm not even in the right gear. That's the fluid drive.
Oh.
It's got like a torque converter and a 3-speed stick shift. So it's kind of both. This car we had to fix all the windows. This car they somehow still all worked. Now we'll go in the back, it's much easier to get on the hoist that way. Okay. A quick looky underneath here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there used to be a screen on there or something.
Oh, sorry.
So, there's a few drips here and there, but whatever. I think we should figure out how to check the level in the torque converter. It seems a little slippy, you know? So, maybe, but I don't even know. I don't think it uses ATF, right? What color is that?
That's brown.
So it doesn't use ATF, right? Just uses engine oil? Yeah. Okay. Well, if we can figure out how to add some, I might dump some in. I don't even know how to check it though.
I think the flowers out the car,
Okay.
if you fix the carpet up,
Okay. Yeah.
hold it back.
All right. Yeah, everything's nice and tight. Well, it drives so well. I'm not surprised. Brakes are fine. Nothing to even do. We'll just do the oil then. We need a bucket. Oh, douche.
That's okay.
Yeah. It's not even dirty. Yeah, that oil's going right in one of my cars.
Recycle it.
I'll recycle it. I'll recycle it right into that other Dodge right there.
Yeah.
I guess an oil man like yourself can probably spare 5 liters, eh?
That's good for that is.
It's good business. That's right. See that?
Yeah, that's wild.
Leather boots on there. You know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to adjust the park brake because it's not doing anything. It's way too loose. Oh, I don't think I should adjust it while it's applied though. I think you just adjust it there. But we can't adjust it without loosening it off. So we'll have to let the car down and release the brake and then I'll adjust it because it's touching, but you can still just about push the car, so. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Good. Good enough. Okay. Now, okay, so I'm going to let it down
Okay.
and we're going to see if we can find somewhere to put some oil in the transmission. Okay, we got the oil changed in the Dodge, and we're just gonna, well, we adjusted the park brake and the clutch. I'm gonna try to add some non-detergent oil to the torque converter or the fluid drive doodad. Oh, there she is. So there's the top secret thing. I'm going to bump the engine over.
Oh, okay.
You can see in there a little plug. So we added a liter of non-detergent motor oil, and now the secret trapdoor doodad. There was a screw here for this. Actually over tightened the brake a bit. It's hard to pull it now. Okay, good enough. Full synthetic. This thing never had it so good.
Probably did okay without it for years.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. All these old cars, they'll run on oil that's not nearly as good as what they're getting now. Well, that's showing full, so.
Okay.
How much is left? Yeah,
5 liters.
half a liter. That's good. It takes about 4.5, so that's good. She's good. Okay, so that's that. Just okay. That's that. What else is back here? Let's get this guy set up and we'll drive out the back.
Okay.
quarter tank, so what did we do it 12 years ago? I was trying to remember. We haven't touched the brakes or the cooling system or any of the wiring. All the lights still work, everything. That was a good project. That's my favorite kind of project. We didn't turn the welder on once. There's no rust to fix. Did lots of other stuff, but didn't have to do the rust.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way we can walk in front.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the old video today. Hope you enjoyed the little look at that lovely 1941 Dodge that I've been secretly coveting for many years. I just think that car is awesome. Anyway, I just wanted to remind everybody that the 2026 Cold War Motors calendar is on sale right now. There's a link in the description. Sure would appreciate anybody who has a chance to stop in and pick one of those up. It's how we keep the little show on the road here, and very much appreciated. Is that Laura?
Oh.
It's Laura or a Volvo very much like hers. Oh my god, it is. It's Gwen driving too.
Oh, wow!
Nice driving. See you guys. That's funny.
That's so cool.
New driver, it says.
Aww.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.